Ditch the diet hype. Embrace real food for lasting health. True health is about nourishing your body with real, whole foods. Think of your body as a complex machine. It needs the right fuel to function properly. Focus on eating food that is close to its natural state. Choose fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to thrive. It is information that tells your body how to function. Choose wisely. Continuing listening to the end of this video and gain all the useful information you need. Fiber up, your gut's best friend for digestion and more. Fiber is often overlooked, but it is a dietary superhero. Found in plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, fiber adds bulk to your diet. This bulk helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, but fiber's benefits extend far beyond digestion. This powerful nutrient helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also lowers cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Fiber even plays a role in preventing certain types of cancer. Aim to include fiber-rich foods in every meal. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Enjoy a salad with lentils for lunch. And for dinner, opt for brown rice or quinoa instead of white rice. By increasing your fiber intake, you're not just improving your digestion, you are investing in your long-term health and well-being. Make fiber your friend, and your body will thank you. Good fats, great health. Nourishing your body and mind. For years, fat was demonized. Low-fat diets were all the rage. However, not all fats are created equal. In fact, certain fats are essential for good health. These healthy fats, known as unsaturated fats, play a crucial role in heart and brain health. Unsaturated fats can be found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. They help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. These good fats also support brain function, improve mood, and keep your skin healthy. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet by adding avocado to your salads, snacking on a handful of nuts, or drizzling olive oil over your vegetables. Remember, moderation is key. By embracing healthy fats, you are not only supporting your physical health, but also nourishing your brain and enhancing your overall well-being. Whole grains, powering your day with every bite. Whole grains are nutritional powerhouses. Unlike refined grains, which have been stripped of their bran and germ during processing, whole grains contain all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, germ, and endosperm. This makes whole grains a rich source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide sustained energy, keeping you feeling full and satisfied longer. Whole grains also help regulate blood sugar levels and promote digestive health. Swap out refined grains like white bread, white rice, and pasta for their whole grain counterparts. Choose whole wheat bread for your sandwiches, brown rice as a side dish, and quinoa as a base for salads. By making the switch to whole grains, you are making a simple yet powerful change that can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Section 5. Rainbow on your plate, fruits and vegetables for vibrant health. Fruits and vegetables are nature's candy. They are bursting with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and protecting against chronic diseases. Different colored fruits and vegetables contain different antioxidants, so it is important to eat a variety of colors. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Add fruits to your breakfast cereal or yogurt. Snack on vegetables like carrots, celery, or bell peppers. Include a salad with your lunch and dinner. Get creative with your meals and find ways to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. By filling your plate with a rainbow of colors, you are providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 6. Protein power, building blocks for a strong and healthy body. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. It is important to include protein in every meal to support muscle growth and repair. Lean protein sources include chicken, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. Choose lean protein sources over processed meats, which are high in saturated fat and sodium. Include protein in every meal. Add grilled chicken or fish to your salads. Enjoy a lentil soup for lunch. Make a stir-fry with tofu and vegetables. By consuming enough protein, you are providing your body with the building blocks it needs to stay strong and healthy. Section 7. Hydration is key, quenching your body's thirst for wellness. Water is essential for life. It makes up about 60% of your body weight and is involved in many important bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and constipation. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water per day. You may need more if you are physically active or live in a hot climate. Carry a water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. Drink water between meals and after exercise. Choose water over sugary drinks like soda and juice, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. By staying hydrated, you are supporting your body's natural functions and promoting overall health and well-being. Section 8. Unmask the ultra-processed, choosing real food over fake food. Ultra-processed foods are everywhere. They are often marketed as convenient and affordable. However, these foods are often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients. Ultra-processed foods provide little nutritional value and have been linked to a number of health problems, including obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Read food labels carefully and be aware of the common names for added sugars such as high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, and dextrose. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Cook at home more often so you can control the ingredients in your food. By minimizing your intake of ultra-processed foods, you are taking a significant step towards improving your diet and reducing your risk of chronic diseases. Section 9. Small steps, big impact. A journey to lifelong health. Building a healthy diet doesn't require drastic changes. It's about making small, sustainable changes over time. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Choose lean protein sources and healthy fats. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. And be mindful of your intake of ultra-processed foods. Remember that every small step you take towards a healthier diet is a step in the right direction. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. A healthy diet is not about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the foods it needs to thrive. By making gradual changes and adopting a holistic approach to eating, you can improve your overall health and well-being for years to come. Remember, food is medicine. Choose wisely. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you will.